Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So another tutorial which I'm uploading here on the tutorial master channel. I'm going to be showing you how to install and use SNIP. So SNIP is basically a Spotify and I believe Apple Music. I don't know about it, but Spotify link which you can do in your streams, so that you can show which song is currently playing. It updates automatically, and you don't need to do anything about it. Just link your Spotify account there. All right. So we're going to start by, first of all, we're going to search here snip stream tool. No, snip won't happen here. So we have to search snip stream tool, and we have to enter here, and we have to see the releases dlrudy/snip on GitHub here. We're going to click on that, and here we can see snip version 8.0.1. You can choose whichever is the latest for you. So now you can click here snip zip. Here snip the zip file here, which you can see. Haha, that rhymed. Okay, anyway, we can download that, and now I'll just run it with Windows, sorry, WinRAR here, WinRAR archiver, and we're going to open this, and you can see this file in here, which contains all the actual, like all the files needed for snip to run. So we can extract this snip file to anywhere on your computer. So I'll do the E drive here. Here you have to open snip. We can open snip here, and it will create these two files for you. However, yes, it will directly come here. It will directly see on your tray here, your system tray here. You can see the icon of it, and you can right click on it and go to Spotify. When you click on Spotify, directly connects you to this login page, which now you can log in. I'll just log in and come back. Yes, so after logging in, you can see this screen here. Snip successfully authorized with Spotify. Then you can close this window here, which I'm going to do now. You can go back to the tray here, and you can see that Spotify will be ticked off here. So any song which you will now play on Spotify will directly its name and whatever the output is will come right here. So you can change the output if you want here, how the format of the output. So output format here, you can see here, $$ track means that only the track the track format will come, and then the separator, which will be the dash. So what will happen here? The track name will come first, then there will be a dash, and then the artist name, and then the album format. So that way we'll just do it defaults and save here, and now I'll show you an example of how it runs. Alright guys, so you can see that I've opened up the online Spotify here, and now we can just play any song here. Let's just play this one. So now we can see here that we've got a notification of what the song name is and the artist is. So now we can see here that Clear My Head by Alice is showing here, and it will be, if you can see here in this snip file here, we can see this is the name of the song and the artist of the song, and you can add this in your OBS if you want. So I've just gone ahead and created a new scene here, and we can just add a text source here. So I'm just going to name this song name and hit enter. Now here what you can do is you can do read from file, which is which can be used for it is updated instantaneously as soon as the text file is changed. So you can click here browse, and we've gone ahead and we have right in the E folder. So E snip, and this text document named snip will be the one where the song name will be. So you can double click it. It will show no track playing, but wait, let's just resize this a bit. Oops, yes, we'll just keep this here, and now we'll play a song and let's see what happens here. Yep, and here we go. We've got the name here, and it will update instantaneously. So we'll just do another song and it will change. Yes, so it is very good in doing that. You can use it in your streams, and it's just a overall nice tool to have. Oh yes, and also what you can do is you can also do the artwork for this, so the canvas of that. So you can also add that in your stream. And how you can do that is, wait, I'll just stop the song here. So what you can do, this artwork you can see here, you can also add this in your stream here. So what you have to do, same thing we have to do here. We have to click on new, then we have to click on image here, and we're just going to name this artwork. So we're going to name it song artwork. Okay. Oh, oops, yes, song artwork. I'm going to click on it new, and we're going to browse again, and we're going to click on the snip artwork, which is in the same folder as the snip one. I'm going to double click on it, and we're going to press OK. So now when you're going to play this, yep, here we go, and we've got the artwork for that. It will be a little bit blurry, but you can also sorry for that, you can also change the quality of this by right clicking on this, and keep Spotify album artwork large. So now when we play the music, yep, sorry, this became too big, but yes, let's just resize this. Yep, and you can see that you have a pretty high quality, we have a pretty high quality artwork here. And yeah, this is just an overall good tool to have, and just that's it. Thank you for watching. If you liked, sorry, let's just turn off the music here. But thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked tutorial, please hit the thumbs up, and also comment if you liked it, and give me some opinions on this. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.